Are you ready to learn a fun counting song with dinosaurs? I can't wait to teach you. This is called 5 Enormous Dinosaurs. And you know, I've got 5 enormous dinosaurs right in front of me. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. Okay, now in this song, we're gonna need to stomp and roar. Now you can either do it with your feet or with your hands for the stomping, like this. Stomp, 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 roar! All right, you're ready, here we go. 5 enormous dinosaurs letting out a roar. 1 stomped away, and now there's only 4. Stomp, 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 roar! Let's count our dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 enormous dinosaurs crashing down a tree. 1 stomped away, and now there's only 3. Stomp, 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 roar! Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 enormous dinosaurs eating tiger stew. 1 stomped away, and now there's only 2. Stomp, 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 roar! Let's count them. 1, 2. 2 enormous dinosaurs sitting in the sun. 1 stomped away, and now there's only 1. Stomp, 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 roar! 1 enormous dinosaur standing all alone. He stomped away, and now there are none. Stomp, 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 roar. I hope that you had fun counting dinosaurs with me, and I hope that you'll be back to try it again soon.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to check that subscribe button so you're always up to date on all of our new videos. Thank you again, and we'll see you soon.